Hello, if you were not on our Zoom this morning, you should be watching this video to learn about grouping tens into groups of 100, okay? So we are calling this Magic 10. Magic 10 is what we are using to group our tens. And this is going to make counting a lot easier when we have those super big numbers. So when we're getting really high into the hundreds, it would take a lot to use just these puny little ones or tens, right? That would take us a long time to count. So if we can group these smaller numbers and turn them into these bigger numbers, it will help us a lot with our counting. So I want you to think, if you have a 10 stick, so I'm going to put that in our tens column, it equals 10 ones, right? So I'm just going to put these in here. It'll take me a second. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So if we have 10 ones, we know that we can group it and it equals one stack of tens, one 10 stick. So what happens if we add to our tens column? What if we have 10 tens? Because it's our magic number, right? So I'm going to say one group of 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if we have 10 tens, we can group them together and they will equal 100, okay? So 10 tens, our magic 10 equals 100. Because if we skip count by 10, these 10 sticks, it'll go like this. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that is where we get our hundreds. So instead of counting all of these tens, or think about how many ones cubes that would be 100 ones cubes. We can just count our hundreds block, right? That'll make it a lot quicker. So I want you to think, what happens if I have 30 tens? Think about that. What happens if I have 30 tens? I would have to group them, right, by 10. So if I have 30, that means I have 3 groups of 10, and that would take me a long time to fill them all out. So each one of these 10 sticks represents a group of 10, right? So 30, that would mean that we have 100, 200, 300, right? Because if this is a group of 10 sticks, that equals 100. If we have a second group of 10 sticks, it equals 200. If we have a third group of 10 sticks, then it becomes 300. So in your assignments today, you are going to use that grouping skill to help you figure out the bigger numbers.